Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI Polaroid photo with your K-pop idol using Gemini. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the AI Polaroid photo looks like, and I'm going to show you the prompt to create this photo. First of all guys, you can open up the Google Gemini and then you can choose create image. We're going to use Nano Banana AI on Gemini to create the AI Polaroid photo. And then you're going to upload your photo with your K-pop idol. Okay, and then I'm going to add the prompt. Okay, you can add this prompt guys, and then I'm going to submit this prompt and also the photos and let the AI create Polaroid photo. It's still loading. Okay, done guys, and this is the result. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can edit the prompt here, and usually the face change, so make sure that you upload a photo with clear background and also the photo with clear face, so the AI will make the best photo for you. Okay guys, and that's how we can create AI Polaroid photo with K-pop idol. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.